Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Mention in the chat if the audio, video is clear. Let me check. Good morning, all of you. Am I? Yes. So today we are discussing calendars and clocks. Clocks and calendar both. Yeah, in GATE exam, calendar problem was asked only 3 or 4 times only. Clock problem was asked about 7 questions. That is why I am combining these two topics into a single lecture, because the number of questions from this area is comparatively less. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and this is the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group details, how to be part of it. In Telegram channel, we provide the free study material for each of the chapter. All the previous chapter study material is already provided, and these chapters, yesterday and today's chapter study materials also will be provided soon. Okay, so, and this session is equally useful for all GATE aspirants preparing for any GATE stream, and for other competitive exam also this is important topic, or this is useful. So please invite your friends preparing for any competitive exam. Okay, so clock problem we are starting. In clocks there are some theory you need to understand. First of all, angle between hour hand and minute hand. There is logical way to do it, but due to lack of time and due to the less number of questions from this chapter, we are not sparing more time on the derivation. We will just go for the formula. Half into modulus of 60h minus 11m is the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock, where h is hour hand value, m is minute hand value. I will elaborate that with an example. 1 second. Look at this question. After this, I will show you a GATE exam question also. First, to make you understand the concept, I will show you this question. All of you try this. This is a question which came in CSIR-NET exam. Same like a GATE exam problem itself. I will start the timer as we normally do. 2 minutes to try. All of you try. Option B, many of you got. Very good. So let's see. What is the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 7:35? So what is the question? Some of you got 0, or some of you may be thinking why 0 degree is not the answer. That is because, yeah, minute hand is on 7, because 35 minutes means minute hand will be on 7. But hour hand is not on 7. Hour hand is on 7 at 7 o'clock only. ये 7 o'clock नहीं है ना, 7 o'clock के बाद 35 minutes आगे गया. So 35 minutes का proportionately our hand will also move. Our hand is also moving in every minute ना. That is why hour hand and minute hand between 0 degree nahi hoga. There is a non-zero degree, or this is what we need to find. Angle between hour hand and minute hand, or angle between hands of a clock, means this angle. This angle we need to find. How you can find it? That is what I told, half into modulus of 60 h minus 11m formula you can use, where h is hour hand value, m is minute hand value. So here 7:35 is the time, so h is 7, minute is, m is 35. ये substitute किया तो क्या मिलेगा? Half into modulus of 60 into 7 minus 11 into 35. 60 into 7 420, 11 into 35 385. To multiply a number with 11, there is a shortcut in Vedic maths. Sandwich the sum of digits in between the digits. 35 into 11 करने के लिए just write 3 and 5 in between. 3 and 5 in between. 3 plus 5 8 you write. 385 is the multiplication of 35 into 11. Are you all understanding? And subtracting it, you will get 35 modulus. Modulus means positive or negative value. When you take modulus, it will become positive. If it is negative value, you take the negative of negative to make it positive. If it is positive value, you take that value itself. I hope all of you know what is modulus. So half into 35 degree, that is 17.5 degree is the correct answer. All of you understood how 17.5 degree and how to use that formula? Half into modulus of 60 h minus 11m. Derivation of that formula is possible, but due to lack of time, I am not doing that. Now I will show you a GATE exam question of the same type. GATE 2020 problem. All of you make a try. Some of you already got an answer. Very good. Okay. So, 3:15 means what? 15 minutes after 3 o'clock. Why? 3:15 means 3 hour के बाद quarter hours. Quarter hours कितना है? 1 hour 60 minutes है ना? So, quarter hours will be quarter of 60 minutes. That is 60 by 4, 15 minutes. So, 3:15 means nothing but 3:15. Time 3:15 है तो angle between hour hand and minute hand क्या होगा? That is the meaning. So this particular time में angle between hour hand and minute hand. So you can just use formula half into modulus of 60 into hour hand value 3 minus 11 into 15. इसको simplify किया तो half into 180 minus sandwich the sum of digits between the digits. Multiplication by 11. Yeah, in this formula multiplication by 11 is needed in all questions. So, sandwiching sum of digits idea will help. So, 180 half into 180 minus 165, that is 15. 15 modulus is 15 itself. 15 by 2 is 7.5 degree. This is the formula way. Yeah, there is logical way also, but logical way in some questions at least it will be very time consuming in this kind of questions. Here it is okay, logical way se way kar sakta hai, maybe little more faster also. You can think like every hour 30 degrees the movement, that you need to know. So, and every minute. So, 30 degrees a movement from 3 to 4. That is when minute hand will travel 60 minutes. लेकिन 60 का 1/4 travel किया तो 30 degree का 1/4 7.5 degree. That is a logical method, but I am not sparing more time on the logical method. That you can later think if you want. We will cover more questions and complete clock problem and then start calendar problem also. So try this question. Angle idea itself is needed here also. Make a try. First the angle idea related questions will complete. After that I will show you more concepts. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. So this question can be done in two ways. Otherwise, either mathematical direct method or you can do elimination by substitution method also. I will show you both. First of all, this is what the question is saying. 60 degree form करने वाला case कब हो रहा है? 60 degree actually or any, normally an angle can be made in two ways. I mean angle between our hand and minute hand. Minute hand before our hand case भी हो सकता है, minute hand after our hand case भी हो सकता है. Look at this. This minute hand is before our hand ना. 6 और 7 के बीच में पूछा है. Question is saying that it is between 6 and 7. So our hand will be between 6 and 7 only. And minute hand will be little before that. Angle can be 60 na. Now minute hand can go and cross this our hand, and after some time minute hand after our hand, this way also 60 degree can be formed na. Please respond. दो तरीका 60 degree form करने का. Not only 60 degree, any angle there are two possibility except 0 degree, 180 degree, etc. So that means yeah, these two instances, one of it is the answer. They may have given answers near to both of these situations. So what you can do is you can actually use the formula. If you want to directly do it, theta is equal to half into 60h minus 11m. Formula we used in the last two questions can be used here. Here angle is given 60, theta is given 60 degree, half into our hand value is 6 now, because 6 to 7 के बीच में our hand value 6 होगा. M value पता नहीं है. That is what we need to do. So इसको simplify किया तो answer मिलेगा. But be careful here. When you simplify, there is a problem. What is the problem? Yeah, you can cross multiply this to 120 is equal to 360 minus 11m. ये मॉडुलस के अंदर है 360 minus 11m. I told you briefly, modulus value, modulus of x is x if x is positive, modulus of x is minus x if x is negative. मतलब मॉडुलस के अंदर वाला वैल्यू नेगेटिव है या पॉजिटिव है, अकॉर्डिंगली ओनली वी कैन से वेदर इट इज पॉजिटिव ऑफ दैट वैल्यू और नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट वैल्यू शुड बी टेकन. मतलब ऐसा दो केसेस होगा. 360 minus 11m. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम यह है 360 minus 11m पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है पता नहीं है, क्योंकि m अननोन है. ये वैल्यू पता है तो वी नो व्हाट टू डू. लाइक -6 मॉडुलस है तो माइनस ऑफ -6 करके +6 बनाना है. +6 मॉडुलस है तो यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट +6 ओनली. सो एनीवे यहाँ पे दो केसेस हो रहा है. 120 इज इक्वल टू 360 minus 11m वाला केस, दैट इज पॉजिटिव वाला केस. सेकेंड केस इज 120 is equal to minus of 360 plus 11m. That is multiplying with minus of 360 minus 11m. Are you understanding these two cases? If 360 minus 11m is positive this case, 360 minus 11m is negative this case. Now ये दोनों को simplify करना है. 11m taken to left side, 120 taken to right side, that will become 240. Subtracting m is equal to 240 by 11. Here what will happen? Minus 360 to this side. So 11m equal to minus 360 will become plus 360. 360 plus 120, 480. m is equal to 480 by 11. ये दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करिए. 240 by 11 कैंसिल किया तो 2 and 20 that is 1. 20 के बाद 21 and 8 by 11 minutes होगा. 8 by 11 means more than half. 30 सेकेंड से भी ज़्यादा. आधा मतलब 11 का आधा 5.5 है ना, 5.5 से भी ज़्यादा है ना 8. सो या दैट फ्रैक्शन आइडियाज यू शुड हैव. सो दिस इज approximately 22 minutes we can say. 22 minutes approximately, because 22 and half minutes से भी ज़्यादा. सो अप्रोक्सीमेट किया तो राउंड ऑफ किया तो 22 से 22 राउंड ऑफ करना बेस्ट है. सो 480 by 11, 11 and 48 cancels 4. Then 40 will have 3, 43 and 7 by 11. 7 by 11 भी आधा से ज़्यादा है. So approximately 44 minutes. Now these are the two cases. Both these cases are valid in this case, in this question. Why? I told you there are two possibility. One like this. This is actually 622 case approximately. And this is 644 case approximately. Minute hand before, minute hand after. Now check options. 622 लिखा है, 644 नहीं 645 है. So closest to 60 degree means option A is the only possibility. All other options are more away. Please respond. Is this clear or not? Yeah, some algebraic skills are also needed here. There is no other way. सबको clear है ये? Yes. That is what I told Omkar. Elimination method is also totally valid. If you are not okay with the simplification, what you can do is you can take first option. First option का थीटा फाइंड करिए, वो 60 डिग्री से कितना क्लोज है चेक करिए. सेकंड ऑप्शन का भी, थर्ड ऑप्शन का भी, फोर्थ ऑप्शन का भी चेक करिए. कौन सा थीटा, कौन सा एंगल बिटवीन आवर हैंड एंड मिनिट हैंड इज मोस्ट क्लोजेस्ट टू 60 डिग्री. दैट वे ऑल्सो यू कैन डू यूजिंग ऑप्शंस. That is totally correct. Did you all understood? That also you can try out later. Due to lack of time, I am skipping that method. Okay, this was asked in the last exam, GATE 2022. Okay, this need some explanation. Make a try anyway. Make a try first. 2 minutes to try. After that, I will teach you the theory for these kinds of question or clock problem. Little more detailed theory we will discuss. Vijaya, कौन सा question है? Only if you post which question we'll get an idea ना. Set, which set we don't know. This question you're saying? This question में I don't think there was a question. There was a doubt. What was the doubt? Okay, I think, was there any word missing or something? I think that was not in GATE exam. I think in CSIR-NET exam there was such a confusion. Okay, A option and D option. Okay, I'll explain. So in a 12-hour clock that runs correctly, how many times do the second, minute and hour hands of the clock coincide in a 12-hour duration from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m.? Actually, second, minute and hour hand, what they mean is minute hand and hour hand itself, I guess. Second hand actually is okay because in 1 minute, second hand will cover a full cycle. So in that regard, approximately it will anyway coincide. That is why we don't have to worry about that. Minute hand and hour hand coinciding is what you need to worry about. Okay, listen carefully. Coincide. What is the meaning of coincide? This is the meaning of coincide. Like 12 o'clock it coincide like this. Between 1 and 2, after 1 o'clock there will be a time when hour hand and minute hand are on the same line itself, or same one over the other itself. That means angle between them should be 0. Are you all understanding? Vijay, I don't think in this question there was 2 options given. That was for another question. Others, anyone remember that in this question there was multiple answers given for in the answer key? So anyway, that is the meaning of coinciding. Did you understand? I will show you a flashcard so that you get more clarity. Look at this. Just a minute. Yeah. Hands coincide means like the 0 degree should be there. Hands coincide, hands opposite, right angle. These 3 situations can be asked in clock problem. But GATE exam mein sirf hands coincide pucha tha. So hands coincide means one over the other. And this is a list of time when that will happen. List of time. ये list derive करना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. You just have to remember a magic number. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. 65 and 5 by 11 minutes is 1 hour, 5 and 5 by 11 minutes. या seconds में बोला तो 1 hour, 5 minute, 27 seconds approximately when you convert 5 by 11 minutes into seconds. This is when a particular angle repeats. That means 0 degree angle also repeats after 65 and 5 by 11 minutes, or 1 hour 5 and 5 by 11 minutes, or 1 hour 5 minutes 27 seconds approximately. And that is why at 12 o'clock if hands are coinciding, then it will coincide after 65 minutes and 5 by 11, not 60 minutes, क्योंकि 60 minutes में minute hand यहाँ होगा, लेकिन our hand have gone further ना, 1 o'clock हो गया, so our hand यहाँ हो गया, तो our hand को cross reach करने के लिए minute hand have to go further. By that time our hand move a little more further. That is why that 5 and 5 by 11 minutes that you can derive due to lack of time I am not deriving it. 5 and 5 by 11 minutes और चाहिए उसके लिए. That means 1 hour 5 and 5 by 11 minutes के बाद एक particular angle repeat होगा. In this case 0 degree. So 12 o'clock, then 1 5 5 by 11 is this time. Then 1 5 5 by 11 के साथ 1 5 5 by 11 add किया तो 2 10 10 by 11 मिलेगा. That is this time. And then likewise you can get the entire list. And when you do that, you should be clear about one thing. That 60, if it was 60 minutes added exactly, every hour it happens once now. But it is happening not in every 60 minutes, it is happening in every 65 and 5 by 11 minutes. इसलिए that 5 and 5 by 11 minutes added, that will reduce one instance. How? ये देखो 12 o'clock में ये हो रहा है 1 5 approximately 2 10 3 16 4 20 and 9 50 approximately 10 55 approximately 10 55 में ये हो रहा है. अभी 65 and 5 by 11 minutes add किया तो you will get 12 o'clock itself. That is a time we already counted here. Are you understanding? That means between 11 and 12 it is happening at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock we already counted for 12 to 1 case. Did you all understand? That is why total number of instances is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 only, not 12, because that is already counted. So in a 12-hour cycle, in a 12-hour complete cycle, 11 times hands are coinciding. Hour hand and minute hand are coinciding. So in 24-hour cycle, in a day 24 hours is there now. 24 hours it will happen 11 plus 11 22 times. So in this question, how this is applicable? Because question is saying a 12-hour cycle itself. Look at that, because question is saying 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. now. In a 12-hour duration from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. means it is like 12 hour itself. To confuse you, they have given 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. is same as 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Yeah, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. It's a complete 12-hour cycle. Complete 12-hour cycle में ऐसा 11 instances होगा. So 11 is the answer. How many of you understood? Vijaya, in every class I upload the PDF of the class ना, उसमें फ्लैश कार्ड भी इंक्लूडेड होगा. नहीं, ये तो मेरा जनरल टेलीग्राम चैनल देख लीजिए, उसका मीडिया सेक्शन में मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्लैश कार्ड्स आर अवेलेबल. और इफ यू वांट प्रिंटेड फ्लैश कार्ड्स, इट इज अवेलेबल इन Amazon वेबसाइट as a book if you want. I hope all of you understood this much. This I will come back to. Try this question. This is another concept you need to know. Try it, all of you. Those of you are watching this session, if this session is useful, do hit the like button and do share it with maximum people, and do comment on this video what you felt about this session. That will help this video to reach to more and more people. Okay. So here you should know, yeah, I have briefly mentioned earlier, 1 hour may 30 degree. That I will explain a little bit more. So here the question is saying worker noticed that the hour hand of a factory had moved by 225 degree during her stay. Hour hand only we are mentioning about here. So look at the hour hand movement. 1 second. Look at this. Our hand 12 hour में our hand 12 hour में our hand will complete a full circle na. Full circle means 360 degree. So 1 hour में that will be 360 degree divided by 12. 30 degree only. So 1 hour में our hand 30 degree move करेगा. Did you all understood? And that is the only thing needed to do this question. 1 hour में 30 degree and as an extra fact 1 minute में minute hand कितना travel करेगा 6 degree. Yeah, 1 minute division, this angle difference between these two angles are 6 degree. Difference between two hour divisions is 30 degree. That is another way of saying it. सबको क्लियर है ये आइडिया क्लियर है तो ये क्वेश्चन में ये आइडिया यूज करिए. How to use that? So 1 hour 30 degree हमें 225 डिग्री दिया है तो उसके लिए कितना आवर. आइदर यू कैन मैथमेटिकली से लेट x बी द आवर, टेक द रेशियो एंड सिंप्लीफाई. अदरवाइज लॉजिकली से 1 hour 30 डिग्री, सो 7 hour है तो 210 डिग्री होगा ना. हमें 225 चाहिए. सो 8 hour है तो 30 से अगेन ऐड किया तो 240. 210 डिग्री और 240 डिग्री का एक्सैक्ट मिडिल है. ये एक्सैक्ट मिडिल है तो 7 hour और 8 hour का एक्सैक्ट मिडिल 7.5 hour. 7 hour 30 minutes or 7.5 hours. Did you all understood? This reasoning you don't have to write anything in the paper. This is just for your understanding. Otherwise you do mathematically whichever way you get the answer. Was all of you clear? Please respond. Simple question now. Then try this. This is similar to previous question. Try this. Any answers? Yeah, the question is little lengthy. Okay, so I'll explain. Two design consultants P and Q started working from 8 a.m. for a company, for a client. The client budgeted a total of rupees US dollar 3000 for the consultants. P stopped working when the hour hand moved by 210 degree. That means what we can say about the time. 210 degree is same as 7 hours, like we did in the previous question. 1 hour mein 30 degree, 7 hour mein 210 degree. And Q stopped working when the hour hand moved by 240 degrees. So 240 degree is nothing but 8 hours. That means P worked for 7 hours, Q worked for 8 hours. Is that clear? Please respond. So yes, 7 hour 8 hour मिला के total 15 hours. 15 hour के लिए normally question says that 1 hour the charge is 200 per hour. So 15 hour में 15 into 200 3000 US dollar complete होना चाहिए था. That means there should not be anything remaining in the budget if this much only was the story. 0 would have been the answer, but it is not 0. Why? Because question is saying about, okay, but keep this in mind. 3000 US dollar pura spend ho jayega if they were working without any breaks or any other reduction in money. It will be 15 hour totally. हर आवर के लिए 200 US डॉलर. सो 15 आवर के लिए वो दोनों को मिला के कितना स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा ये कंपनी या क्लाइंट? 3000 US डॉलर. बट क्वेश्चन सेज दैट they are taking break and break will not be paid. For the breaks the client is not paying. P took 2 tea breaks of 15 minutes each. 15 plus 15 30 minutes P took totally. And what about Q? Q took only one lunch break of 20 minutes. So 20 minutes Q took. So 30 plus 20 total मिला के 50 minutes they have taken break. 50 minutes is little less than 1 hour ना. 1 hour के लिए $200 कट करेगा because we already estimated 15 hours. उससे $200 कट करना पड़ेगा. 1 hour का ब्रेक है तो 1 hour का ब्रेक नहीं है, so 1 hour से कम ब्रेक है, so $200 से कम कट करेगा मतलब that is a extra saving the client will get ना, because now no saving. 3000 US dollar, 3000 US dollar is the total budget also, that will cancel each other. But वो extra that break not paid, due to that वो time का payment client save करेगा. That is the only saving that the client can do. What I am saying is, instead of writing mathematical steps, you can actually skip those steps and logically say only we have to think about this 50 minutes. 50 minutes 1 hour से कम है. 1 hour से कम है मतलब $200 से कम सेव करेगा. 0 से ज़्यादा भी. ऐसा एक ही ऑप्शन है ना. To tell you that, to use the options well, I have told that way. Is that clear, all of you? Please respond. Otherwise, if you want to exactly find 50 minutes को hour में convert करिए. 1 minute is 1 by 60 hours. So 50 minutes is 50 into 1 by 60 hours. 1 hour के लिए $200 US dollars. So 50 by 60 into 200. Simplifying, you will get 166.67 approximately. That is option B. Did you all understood? The question was lengthy, but it is not very difficult. It is time consuming, I agree. It's time consuming. Then try this. This is a little different question. Try this. Yes, Amit. Yes, Arun. Little tricky. Not very tricky, but little tricky, I agree. Okay, so I'll explain. Here the mirror image idea is needed. That actually if you draw the picture, you can answer it yourself. 2¼ hours back, so 2 hours 15 minutes back, when seen in the mirror, the reflection of a wall clock without number marking seemed to show 1:30. So I will draw this picture 1:30, but this marking were not given. What is the actual current time shown by the clock? So ये 2 hours 15 minutes के पहले मिरर में ऐसा था. So 2 hours 15 minutes के पहले मिरर में ऐसा है, तो 2 hours 15 minutes के पहले एक्चुअल टाइम क्या था? ऐसा सोचो. This is the line of symmetry, and this is already on the line of symmetry. That will not change at all. Spatial aptitude chapter में हम डिस्कस किया है ना. That idea we need here. So ये ऐसा चेंज करेगा ना, फ्लिपिंग करेगा ना. फ्लिपिंग किया तो यहां से 1.5 गया तो यहां से 1.5 पहले होगा. दैट इज हाउ टू इजीली डू इट. 1.5 पहले मीन्स 10 और 11 के एग्जैक्ट मिडिल में. 10:30 will be the time. 10:30 will be the time corresponding to 1:30 in the mirror image. Did you all understood? Because if you place a mirror like parallel to this, it will flip. That is a vertical mirror. Horizontal flipping will happen like we did in spatial aptitude. So 10:30 is the time 2 hours 15 minutes back. 10:30 is the time 2 hours 15 minutes back. So what is the actual current time? Present time is asked. So उसके साथ 2 hour quarter, 2 hours 15 minutes add करना पड़ेगा ना. So 12:45 is the actual time. So option D is the answer. How many of you understood this? Please respond. Yes, sir, in the simple question, na? Yeah, if you want a formula, there is a formula also to find mirror image time. This is the formula. You can subtract the given time. Like 1:30 was given, na? So 11:60 से 1:30 subtract करिए. 11:60 is nothing but 12 o'clock. But 12 o'clock से subtract करना मुश्किल है. That is why I am saying 11:60. 11 hours 60 minutes. That is 11 plus 60, 12 hours, na? So subtracting this, what you will get? 10:30. That is how to find original time. But between 11 to 1, 11:60 use कर सकता है, लेकिन 11:60 use किया तो you will get confused. So 11:60 को 23:60 लिखना better होगा, because 23:60 is also 12 o'clock. 24 hours and 12 hours show 12 o'clock itself, na? That is the algebraic way. Geometric way itself is easy in my opinion. So these were the questions asked from clock problem. One more question is there that I will give as homework. Only one time that kind of a question was asked, and if possible I will add the detailed solution of that in the slides. Show you that. Just a minute. Yeah, this is that question. Answer will be option B. Try it as homework. It takes a lot of time to explain these kinds of questions, but only one time the question came. So anyway, try it. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay, now I am starting calendar problem. Calendar problem. Only 3 times question came in GATE exam, so we are not sparing more time on that. This last exam there was a question, including that 3 questions only came till now. Make a try. After that I will teach you theory, which with questions if I tell that will be better. Vijaya's CSIR book I have published. उसमें GATE का questions नहीं है, but concept to an extent you can learn from that. But if you already have a GATE dedicated book for GATE, that is better for GATE. But if you are preparing for both CSIR and GATE, yes, मेरा CSIR book से GATE का भी एक idea मिलेगा, मतलब questions कैसा करना है and all. But if you can buy 2 books, that will be better. I mean, GATE के लिए एक separate book खरीदना better होगा if possible. If you are already familiar with PYQs and all, it is okay. If you are not familiar with PYQs, through this course you will get idea. Otherwise, through book you can get any PYQ books of GATE. That will take time, Vijaya. GATE aptitude book that I was planning, that will take more time actually now. Okay, so I'll explain. The concept of odd days is very important in calendar problem. Concept of odd days. What is odd days? You should understand. Odd days are extra days after complete weeks. Vijaya, please check the previous lectures in this playlist. General doubts when I'm explaining, please ask it later only. I'm explaining the question. At that time, please listen to the solution. And check out the playlist, you will see all the previous classes. So, a person was born on the 5th Monday of February in a particular year. February में 5th Monday होना. February में normally कितना days है? 28. Leap year है तो 29. Yet ordinary year 28 days वाला case check करिए. 28 days मतलब 7 weeks ना. 7 weeks exactly. There is no extra days. That means there is 0 odd days. What is odd days? Extra days after complete weeks is called odd days. Extra weeks after complete days. Extra days after complete weeks is called odd days. Days का भी odd days होता है. Month का भी odd days होता है. Years का भी odd days होता है. मंथ का ऑड डेज ये क्वेश्चन में चाहिए. फरवरी में 0 या 1 ऑड डे होगा. 0 या 1 odd day. Did you all understood why 0 या 1 odd day? Because 28 days means 7 complete week. No extra days after complete weeks. But 29 days means 7 into 4, 28 plus 1. So 1 extra day after complete weeks. Similarly, each month का odd day होता है. जनवरी का 31 days वाला month है जनवरी. उसमें 28 plus 3. So 3 extra days. 28 is a multiple of 7 plus 3. 31, sorry, plus 3, that is 3 odd days होता है. Did you all understand this? Please respond. 3 odd days. Similarly, March 31 days वाला month में 3 odd days. 30 days वाला month है तो 2 odd day. Likewise, odd day for each month we can say. And how those odd days are helpful, I will tell you. In this question says that 5th Monday के लिए definitely there should be 29 days because 28 days है तो exactly 4 weeks है. 4 weeks में 4 Mondays only are possible because हर week में एक Monday होता है ना. So 4 weeks में 4 Mondays only possible. So 5th Monday के लिए first of all we understood this is a leap year February. Otherwise it is not possible. The given year is a leap year. Leap year February. And 5th Monday means that will be the 29th day na. Last day only can be that. Are you getting? First week. One week completed. Second week, third week, fourth week. Now after that, that extra day, that odd day should be the Monday. That means 29th day should be Monday. 29th day Monday है तो first day क्या होगा? First day भी Monday होना चाहिए ना? So that look at this. First day Monday, 7th day तक 1 week complete हो जाएगा. Then 8th day again Monday. 8th day, not 7th day. 8th day will be again Monday. Then 8 plus 7, 15th day again Monday. 7 days after one cycle is repeated. Na? 22nd day again a Monday. Then 29th day again a Monday. Are you all understanding? Please respond. All of you. That means this is a situation. First day is a Monday, 29th day is a Monday. Now check each options. The 2nd February of that year is Tuesday. 2nd February. 1st February, Feb 1st is Monday. So Feb 2nd will be Tuesday. So this is totally correct, and that is why that is the answer. Are you all clear how option A is the answer? Please respond. Other options you can check for your extra understanding. There will be 5 Sundays in that month of February in that year. 5 Sundays in that month. No, Monday only will be 5. No other day, because February have only one extra day. The 1st February of that year is Sunday. No, it is a Monday. All Mondays of February in that year have even dates. No, even dates means even number. This is 1. That is odd day. That itself violates. All means each and every one. This 8 is even, I agree, but all are not even. Na? 1st, 15th, 29th are not even. That is why only option A is correct. It is simple, na? It is actually simple. Common sense only is needed, and understanding that leap year, non-leap year, how many days are there for February. So similarly, years also have odd days. Years, ordinary year and leap year are there. Now ordinary year में 365 days है. 365 को weeks में complete किया तो 52 weeks होगा और 1 extra day होगा. That is why 1 odd day. Because 365 by 7, 1 week में 7 days है ना. So 365 by 7, 52 quotient है and 1 remainder है. That is why 52 weeks and 1 extra day. That is 1 odd day. But 366 days वाला leap year में 2 extra day होगा. Same logic. That also keep in mind. That is also important. So try this question then. It's a hybrid question. Probability and calendar both are together asked in this. Okay, so here what is the idea? Very good, some of you got. What is the chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Saturdays? Leap year में कितना days है? 366. That is 2 odd days ना? 2 odd days. 2 extra days after complete week. So if इसमें 52 weeks है, 52 weeks में definitely 53 सैटरडे 52 सैटरडेज होगा ना। ये दो एक्स्ट्रा ऑड डेज में कितना सैटरडेज हो सकता है? एक ही सैटरडे हो सकता है, क्योंकि दोनों सैटरडे नहीं हो सकते ना। ऑड डेज आर कॉन्सिक्यूटिव डेज, दे कैन नॉट बी द सेम डे। एक सैटरडे है तो एक संडे होगा। सो दैट मीन्स ये दो ऑड डेज क्या क्या हो सकता है, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू चेक। प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछा है। It can be any two consecutive days. It can be any two consecutive days. It can be like Monday, Tuesday. It can be Tuesday, Wednesday. It can be Wednesday, Thursday. It can be Thursday, Friday. It can be Friday, Saturday. It can be Saturday, Sunday. It can be Sunday, Monday also. In the Saturday is coming only in this and this. That means out of total 7 possibility, 2 out of 7 possibility only have 1 extra Saturday. बाकी possibilities में 1 extra Saturday नहीं है ना. We are only thinking about the 2 extra days. Or are you all understanding? It is not 1 odd day Vijaya, it is 2 odd day. It is a leap year ना. Leap year में 366 days होता है. 366 days होता है मतलब there will be 2 odd days. December 29 तक 52 वीक्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज होगा। वो 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज मंडे ट्यूसडे हो सकता है, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे हो सकता है, वेडनेसडे थर्सडे हो सकता है, थर्सडे फ्राइडे हो सकता है, फ्राइडे सैटरडे हो सकता है, सैटरडे संडे हो सकता है, संडे मंडे हो सकता है। इसमें सिर्फ ये 2 केसेस में सैटरडे एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है। सो 2 out of 7 केस ओनली सैटरडे इज कमिंग एक्स्ट्रा। सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड। That is how to do that question. Required outcome by total outcome is probability na. Total 7 outcomes mein required outcome is only 2 outcomes where Saturday is coming extra. Then this is another question. To make you understand this question, first I will show you another question. Make a try. I'll explain Arindam. Okay, so here odd days is again needed here also. Yeah, with this question we will understand the concept and then I will show you the GATE exam question of the same type. So what is the meaning of calendars being the same? Same for the year means all dates and days should match na. All dates and day match करने के लिए first of all January 1 should match. 2015 का January 1 एक Monday है तो assume. Then this particular year का January 1 भी Monday होना चाहिए. January 1 same है तो बाकी dates automatically same हो जाएगा ना. But there is one more problem. One more problem is the number of, both the years should be of the same type. That means 2015 एक ordinary year है ना, leap year नहीं है, 4 का multiple नहीं है, एक century नहीं है तो 4 का multiple होना काफ़ी है to make that a leap year. 2015 century नहीं है, so 4 का multiple नहीं है तो ये leap year नहीं होगा. So आंसर भी लीप ईयर नहीं हो सकता. लीप ईयर है तो February 28 के बाद चेंज होगा ना, मतलब इसमें लीप ईयर्स 2 ऑप्शंस दिया है, दैट यू कैन एलिमिनेट बिकॉज 2015 एक ऑर्डिनरी ईयर है, ये दोनों लीप ईयर्स है. सो नाउ व्हाट टू डू, 2026 होगा या 2027 होगा, सेम calendar. So January 1 2015, for example, if it is a Monday, I am just assuming, you can assume any day, then January 1 2016 कौन सा दिन होगा? Can you tell me? This concept is important. Can you tell me what will be January 1 2016? January 1 2015 एक Monday है तो 2015 में 1 extra day है तो that will shift the calendar by 1 day, that will make it Tuesday. That is the logic. ट्यूसडे होगा. 2017 है तो 2016 एक लीप ईयर है, वो लीप ईयर के वजह से 2 जंप होगा. दिस इज नॉट ओनली इन द केस ऑफ January 1, योर बर्थडे इज ऑल्सो, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस हैपेंस. इफ दिस ईयर योर बर्थडे वॉज ऑन अ मंडे, नेक्स्ट ईयर योर बर्थडे विल नॉट बी ऑन अ मंडे. It will be either a Tuesday or a Wednesday depending upon this year is a leap year or not. Yeah, 2023 is a ordinary year. So 1 day shifting. If this year your birthday is on Monday, next year your birthday will be on Tuesday on 2024. Yeah, there is a problem. When is your birthday? Because 2024 is a leap year. So between those 2 years, whether there is a leap year or not matters. Are you all understanding? So that is why 2016 लीप ईयर है, इसलिए ट्यूसडे से 2 डे शिफ्ट करके थर्सडे चाहिए. थर्सडे 2018 है तो 17 ऑर्डिनरी ईयर है तो थर्सडे शिफ्ट होके फ्राइडे. 1 डे शिफ्टिंग इज इनफ. January 1 इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. 2019 फ्राइडे सैटरडे हो जाएगा. 2020 सैटरडे संडे हो जाएगा. वी नीड टू गेट अ मंडे अगेन. 2021 मंडे होने का चांस था, ये 2020 लीप ईयर नहीं है तो, बट ये लीप ईयर हो गया अनफॉर्चुनेटली. सो संडे 2 दिन शिफ्ट होके ट्यूसडे हो गया. 2022 ट्यूसडे 1 डे शिफ्ट होके वेडनेसडे. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट अ मंडे अगेन. 2023 वेडनेसडे शिफ्ट होके थर्सडे. 24 थर्सडे शिफ्ट होके फ्राइडे. 25 फ्राइडे शिफ्ट होके संडे. 26 Sunday shift okay Monday. Are you all understanding? So Monday again, and 2026 is not a leap year, so that is also fine. So 2026 is the answer. And there is a shortcut also instead of writing all these, but this concept clearance you will get from this example. And instead of writing, you can just write the odd day count. That way also you can say 2015 का 1 odd day के वजह से 2016 में 1 day shifting. यहाँ पे 2 day shifting, then 1 day shifting, 1 day shifting, 1 day shifting, 2 day shifting, and add this up to get, when you are getting a multiple of 7, there you can stop. And this is what I am saying. Odd days of each year you write 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. And this, when you will add up and get a 7, there you can stop. 1 plus 2 not 7, 4, 5, 6. Here chance of getting 7 was there, but unfortunately 6 plus 2 mila, that is 8. Then you have to continue 9, 10, 11, 13. 13 plus 1 14. So 14 odd day create करने के लिए 2025 complete होना चाहिए. 2025 complete किया मतलब 2026 में उसका effect होगा और 2026 होगा वो year. Did you all understand? This is why I told you this odd day concept is very important. Once you understood odd day concept, this question is simple actually. Then let us see a GATE exam question of the same type. Try this. This is some comparatively more easy actually. Try this. Arindam, trick is what I showed. 0, 1, 0, 1, sorry, 1, 1 1 1 2, that idea, that is a trick. Practice किया तो वो बहुत ही simple हो जाएगा. It will not take even 1 minute. You will get practice with this question. (2015) complete करना चाहिए ना. For this question or previous question, Vijaya, you are asking? 2014 तक ऑड डे कैलकुलेट किया तो 2013 पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. 2015 तक ऑड डे कैलकुलेट किया तो 2014 पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. टू थाउजेंड से आगे जाना है विजया. दैट यू हैव टू चेक एक्चुअली. 2000 का वन previous question. Can you elaborate the doubt, Vijaya? Previous में 2000 कहाँ से आया? With this question you will get clarity hopefully. Try this, all of you. Some of you got option C. Yeah, here you have to go reverse. That's the only difference. Okay, so for the year 2019, which of the previous year's calendar can be used? First, we will use that January 1 idea itself so that there is no confusion at all. January 1, 2019. If you think that you will make mistakes, writing this January 1 concept will be better. So January 1, 2019, लेकिन we have to go to previous years. So January 1, 2018 क्या होगा? 19 एक लीप ईयर है ना. ये मंडे अस्यूम किया तो 1 day before होगा. 1 day before संडे है ना. 2017 है तो 1 day before सैटरडे होगा. 2016 है तो 2016 मतलब 2016 का फरवरी इसके बीच में आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू चेक. फरवरी बीच में आ रहा है या नहीं. फरवरी बीच में आ रहा है इसलिए 2 दिन शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये फरवरी 2016 का फरवरी लीप ईयर फरवरी है, इसलिए 2 दिन बैकवर्ड शिफ्ट करना है थर्सडे. सो 2015 है तो थर्सडे 2 दिन शिफ्ट करके January 1, 2015 विल बी वेडनेसडे. January 1, 2014 will be Tuesday. 13 will be Monday. Are you all understanding? So 2013 is the answer. Clear or not? Otherwise, if you want to save more time, iska 1 odd day, 1 odd day, 1 odd day, 2 odd day, 1 odd day, 1 odd day. Yeah, that much. Let us add it. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So 2014 तक complete हो गया. अभी effect 2013 पे पड़ेगा ना. That way we can say 2013 is the year. Don't say 2014 is the year. 2014 you have completely used. उसका odd day है ये 1. उसका odd day का effect इसका पहले वाला year में पड़ेगा ना. That is the idea. So these are the questions asked in, only these 3 questions were asked in GATE exam from this calendar problem. Calendar problem is a fancy name or fancy chapter, and in almost all competitive exam this is there. But the importance level or the number of questions asked differ from exam to exam. GATE exam में ये questions कम आता है. Clock थोड़ा और आया है, that is why I have given more time on clock, almost 1 hour on clock and almost half an hour on calendar. So I think we can stop here. If you want more practice question, I will provide it in the Telegram channel. Be part of the Telegram channel, and in the study materials I will add more questions also. Okay, hope today's session was interesting. In short time I tried to cover as much content and as possible. This does not mean calendar and clock only have this much. There is more to it, but GATE exam mein according to the importance level learning this much is okay. So anyway, this odd day concept itself help you in most of the question in calendar. So that's it. Thank you all. Take care all of you. Yes, Arindam, that Monday concept will make sure that we don't make a mistake. So yeah, if you felt the session is useful, do share it with maximum people. And tomorrow, in the upcoming days, I am not sure whether I will be able to take class in the studio setup. It will be classes through the laptop itself, but that is not a problem for all of you, I guess. But classes tomorrow I have a travel, so maybe day after tomorrow or something, we will take the next session. So thank you all. Take care all of you. Yeah, today I have a headache. That is why I'm not very active. But anyway, let's conclude here. Verbal, Vijaya, once we complete this non-verbal, that will be 5 more lectures on non-verbal. So 5 days we need. 5 days के बाद verbal शुरू होगा. I mean 5 lectures के बाद. वो next 5 days में होगा या नहीं, that I will update in the groups. So stay tuned. So thank you Omkar and all of you for the good words. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.